This video is for those of you who are new to Python or who know Python but want to brush up on it or just get more familiar with our JupyterHub. So first thing that I want you to do is to spin up the JupyterHub. We have a video showing you how to do that. So now that you've got your JupyterHub going, you should see something like this. If you don't see this, then click on this blue button here, and then you're going to see this. Okay, so the next thing that I want you to do is you're going to click on the terminal. So now we're at the command line. Let's make this a little bigger for you. And then we're going to change to the home directory. That's cd tilde, change directory tilde. We're now making sure we're in the home directory. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to copy a GitHub repository with some tutorials that I can show you how to work through. So we're going to use these tutorials from the author of Numerical Python. It's got some nice, just real basic ones. And the command we want is this git clone command. So I'm going to copy that, go back here, and then I'm going to paste that in. And that is going to pull in that repository. Okay, so pulled it in. And now you can see a folder showed up. Now let's click on that. I'll just double click on that. And now you see, if we look here, these are a series of IPyNB. They are Jupyter notebooks. And we're going to go and just start working through those. So we can double click on that. And you see we can kind of scroll through here and then kind of scroll through. This one, it has a lot of like background text, but most of them, let's just get down to the code here. Actually, let's not do that one. Actually, discard. Let's do this one. Okay, here we go. So let's see. So you can click on a code box, and then if you hold down the shift key and you hit return, you can run it, or you can hit that. I'm just going to do that. Okay, and so what that does is run the code. In this case, it's listing the files in scripts, and it's showing you what is there. And here, this cat is saying list the contents of this one, so you can run that. Okay. But let's scroll down here and really jump more into the basic math here. And this talks you through the syntax for Python. It's, like I said, this is a nice little intro. This is how we import libraries. Just do that. And then, we run code. So, yeah, just go through, open up the various notebooks here. You should be able to run most of them. I haven't tested all of them, but our JupyterHub is quite well provisioned, so it should have all the packages. What do you do if you don't have the packages? What you can do is you can temporarily install them by you open up a terminal and you do just do pip install and then the name of the package. So that package won't be there next time you start up the workshop hub, but it'll be there for the time that you're working on the notebook. All right, so so that's how you can go through those. And then the next set of basic tutorials that might be helpful for you is from one of our PACE workshops earlier in the year. So this is really geared towards beginners. And same thing, we want to run this code. So we're going to make sure we're in the home directory. So we can, here, I am already in the home directory, but just as a security, I always do cd tilde just to make sure. So let's take a little, these are a little bigger. Okay. So now if we go, if I click here, I get back to the home directory, and you can see here are our tutorials. This, like I said, this is a PACE workshop we did. and you go to the Python ones. Oh, by the way, for you R users, if you wanted to do R tutorials, this workshop also has R tutorials. And you can go through these basic tutorials and kind of get up to speed. Yeah, data. Yep, so these are just some basic tutorials that you can do here. All right, hope that helps. I'll put some more material on that web page for other tutorials that might be good to go through also.